That's why I say memorized speech requires acting skills and the structured speech doesn't. Because as soon as you memorize word for word what you're going to say, you also have to know word for word how a human being delivers sentences.
What I like the most in this event is the way Martin was training us how to connect to our the real message inside, how to connect to ourselves.
When we sat around the campfire 1,000,000 years ago and told stories to each other, we connect with each other when we look into each other's eyes. Also, we talked about understanding language and how much we lip read, right? If you're listening to someone that you're not looking at, how difficult it is to follow along with what they're actually saying. Just one second. I just need to remember. It's intimidating. It's super uncomfortable for her.
I use this workshop at Martin Svaneborg to be better at structuring my stories and overcome the fear of stage fright.
And that's why we talked about creating voice, creating just sound on a technical level. You remember breathy versus connected? If you talk like this with a very breathy voice, then there's no output in it. There's no vocal quality in it. There's also no tone in it. And if there's no tone, if you couldn't sing with it, you also can't do vocal variety. The most famous monologue that has ever been written, as in ever. That's the whole point of the speech, is that human dialectic conundrum of, why are we so obsessed with life yet we keep complaining about it? We keep complaining about all the problems that we have.
I think it was a very profound teaching, not only for speaking, but not only for public speaking, but for speaking in every way in the daily life. So I think I've learned a very important message.
If you can make the audience feel like I'm like you, I'm just like you, I'm the same kind of human being as you are, then you will connect to me on a rapport level.
This workshop, it was amazing. It's very good how we can learn small techniques that are used on stage and how much they actually can improve your speaking skills.
She's just accepted that I'm probably wrong for this job, but you're still telling yourself the positive story by accepting that and say, I'm going to go in there anyway and just see what happens. That's not a negative story, that's a positive story with acceptance of possible failure. I've gone to several auditions as well where I was like, I don't fit the description, but I have nothing else coming up audition-wise, so I might as well go. They're looking for 8, what they're called Chippendale lookalikes. It's probably not me, but it's on Sunday and I'm off, so let's go anyway. And then sometimes the odd thing happens is that they go, yes, you know what, this is totally wrong for you, but we actually like you, and after this we have this coming up, can we call you? Huh?
So I would definitely recommend this workshop or anything Martin Svaneborg does, because this was one of the best investments I've done with myself.
First time as public speaking, didn't think I could, found out I can, and in 3 days the improvement's been vast. So whoever you are, just jump in, call Martin or write to Martin and just say, I want to be a part of the workshop, just like I did. It seems like a good idea at the time, and trust me, when you start, you find out that it is. So thanks for Martin, and thanks to Talks for Change.